Welcome to Guide Guru. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will show how to change oil in a Subaru Outback. Start by raising the car safely with jack stands and removing the oil fill cap to aid drainage. Use protective gloves and eye protection while working. Place a suitable oil drain pan under the drain plug and loosen it carefully. Remove the oil filter with an appropriate wrench and prepare to replace it with a fresh, lubricated. Begin by fully draining the old oil into an approved container and safely set the used oil aside. Check the drain plug for metal shavings and replace the crush washer if it looks worn. Clean the drain area with a rag and allow a moment for residual oil to settle. Remove the old oil filter and prepare the new filter by applying a light coat of fresh oil to the gasket. Screw in the new oil filter until gasket contact, then tighten by hand plus a small additional turn for a secure seal. Reinstall the drain plug and torque it to the vehicle guideline to avoid leaks. Pour the recommended amount of 5W30 oil into the fill opening, then wait a minute and check the dipstick for the correct level between marks. Start the engine briefly and recheck for leaks and level.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.